मन्नारा जी सब लोग यहाँ देखिए, सब लोग इधर इधर। संजय this side. चलो रेडी आओ।
Jason.
Want to be fast?
Well, this is my second time in the same year that I'm working for the Bombay Times Fashion Week. Bombay Times just feels, like a family to me because I've done like so many shows this year for them in different cities. And this time around, yes, I'm opening the show at the Bombay Times Fashion Week along with my very talented friend Vishal Kapoor. And he made me look this stunning and wonderful for today's event. मैंने पिंक कलर का आउटफिट पहना है which I've really not done on the ramp till now. So this is also something which I'm trying for the first time and I'm learning by each and every process. Every time I walk the ramp, I want the audience to look at me in a different way and I just want audience to love me the way I am and also the way I'm improving myself. About the outfit, I think it's all Fulkari work and this is the theme for today's show. And आपने हमारे रैम्प पे भी देखा, they were not models, they were like people, the real people from the real world walking the ramp. क्योंकि I think विशाल का एक विजन था कि जो कपड़े होते हैं वो real लोग पहनते हैं. So I think it was very beautiful for me to look at. And also one woman tripped and one guy came and he started dancing to support her. तो I think हमें लाइफ में भी एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए as human beings and that is what I have learned also from the show. So apart from the fashion, we should also not forget to be humans.